phone. Stop pretending I don't know you're home.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well wherever you are. Today we are going to be decluttering, cleaning, organizing, and decorating my girls' bedroom. We are in the mix of the fall season and it is definitely needed for me to declutter their bedroom. I need to go through all of the clothes from summer, see what I'm going to put aside to keep for Ava and what I'm going to donate. Their room is a total disaster. It looks like a hurricane has come through there, and this has been on my to-do list and I'm finally able to get to it today. So that is what we're going to do. You guys are going to be a part of it. Today we are going to be decluttering, cleaning, and organizing the girls' room. It's going to kind of be like a vlog style video because I'm also going to be making runs to the thrift store, to the consignment shop, and I'm gonna bring you guys with. So without further ado, let's just jump into this video. So this is the madness. The girls have a Montessori style setup. This was originally for one person, but now it is for Tatiana and Ava, and it's just not enough space. It's definitely cluttered. I'm planning to get another unit to have it set up for each child. So this will be Tatiana's and Ava will have her own. But we have lots of summer clothes in here and this has just been driving me crazy. So I'm really looking forward to getting it decluttered and organized today.
Call back. Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Stop crying over things I can't take back, not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my head. Wishing you the best of life instead, well not yet. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone.
I'm gonna go ahead and put these things up for Ava, and then I'm gonna bag up some of the stuff that I'm planning to give to the consignment shop.
Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. You, oh you, I keep wishing we'll end up together. You.
So in this bin here, I have hand-me-downs that I've saved. These are all size 4. Ava is currently wearing a size 4 now. So I'm going to go ahead and hang up all the size 4s that Ava can fit. And then I'm going to be putting away the size 5 for her for next year.
Know you're home, I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense.
So this is a whole nother bag of hand-me-downs for Ava, and things are getting crowded again. We did clear off the top. I'm gonna have to get another unit. So for now, I've just been putting the pants underneath and hanging up the tops and the dresses, but I'm not even gonna have space for this stuff.
Yeah. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. You, oh you, I keep wishing we'll end up together. You, oh you, I keep wishing. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense.
Alright guys, so I got their clothes pretty much organized and picked through. All the things that I'm gonna keep have already been put away, and all the things that we are gonna donate are bagged up and ready to go. So right now I'm about to load up the car and we're gonna head over to the consignment shop. I'm gonna get in there pretty early before it gets too busy. I have a lot of stuff, so I know it's gonna take them a little while to look through it. Let's go load and head to the consignment shop.
Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not.
I just arrived at the consignment shop. I had to park a little ways because all the parking in the front were already taken. So this is gonna be like a couple of trips. I'm gonna run in there real quick and get logged in so that I can get the process started.
Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense.
I dropped the stuff off at the consignment shop. They said they could only do 2 bags, so I didn't even get to turn all of it in. But the other stuff that I had that I'm gonna donate to the thrift store, I'm about to drop that off right now, and then they said they will text me when it's ready for me to come back up there. So I'm just trying to kill time right now, so I'm gonna go to the thrift store and drop that load off, and then we're gonna go back and see what they say.
Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own.
You guys, they are taking their sweet time to process my order. I don't want to have to go all the way home to come right back because it's just out the way. And I have other things I need to get done, but I did bring my handy dandy laptop, so I'm about to make the best of this time and get some computer work done, hoping that they give me a text soon because I need to get back to the house. So I just got back in. I made $78 from the consignment shop. Some items they didn't accept, so I will be taking those to the thrift store as well. But we are heading home now to finish up the girls' room. Still need to make their beds and just wipe down a couple things, tidy up a little bit more.
Do you ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own.
So got the girls' bed made up with their Halloween sheet. So that is it for today's video, you guys. Thanks for decluttering with me. I'm so glad I was able to get this fall declutter done. Made a couple dollars in the mix, so I'm happy about that. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Meet me down in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.